So here is my Insta account. So you can click that follow button. You can contact me at any time for any kind of technological queries. I'm ready to help you. On the other end, for web designing or any other courses or internships, if you want to contact us, yes, I'm ready to help you. Here is the contact number to contact us. Web design series is 20-second video, script tag and no script tag. What is a script tag, sir? I got a web page where you got this structure, the buttons and everything is there. I need a color using CSS, and finally an action I want it. That action is called as JavaScript. To achieve this action, we need the JavaScript code that can be placed in the script tag. The script tag can be on an element, can be specified in an element, or it can be specified under a script/script tag. And this can be placed in the header or it can be placed in the body also. That is called script tag. If the script is not working in a page, I need to indicate, right? The information indicating whether the script tag is working or not, that can be specified using no script tag in HTML. It can be placed no script/no script. Let's move on to the topics learning link. This link is available in the description and in the first comment page. Over here, this is my link, and go to the script tag here. Here is the script tag. So in the script tag, you are able to see it here. This is my script tag. Okay, script tag, you will have your head and you got the body. You got the body here. And in the body, you are able to see this script tag here like this, and you got the output over here. Now going back here, you are able to see paragraph. ID is equal to para. You got the script tag here. So document.addElement by ID para dot inner HTML over here place this content. That is how it works. This is called script tag, and you got some of the properties. Please check it out. And let's move on to the no script tag. Over here, as I told you, no script tag, this is how the tag is. You're able to see it here, no script/no script. If the script tag is working, this will get executed. If script tag is, if your JavaScript is not supported by the browser, you are able to see it here. So the JavaScript is blocked in the browser. So it indicates if I put in no script code, my browser will tell you, hey, your browser is not working. The information given to the user indicating that the browser is not supporting JavaScript can be specified using no script tag in HTML.